Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from BIWay. If you're finding us for the first time, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. In this new video, we'll see how to create dynamic format strings for measures in Power BI. So let's get started. The dynamic format strings for measures feature is currently in a preview as of the recording date of this video. So let's activate it. In the options and settings, we select options, then preview features, and make sure you select dynamic format strings. I have already done that, so I'll click on cancel. Using dynamic format strings for measures, we can determine how measures appear in visuals by conditionally applying a format string with a separate DAX expression. With dynamic format strings, the measure keeps its data type and isn't forced to change to a string data type. Let's take an example and see how it works. In this report page, we display the sales amount by date, product subcategory, and continent. And we can convert the sales amount based on the selected currency. As you can see, the values change because in the sales amount measure, we calculate the sales amount multiplied by the exchange rate. But the problem is that we have the dollar symbol, which is displayed regardless of the selection. So we will create dynamic format strings to fix this. In the data pane, we select our measure for which we want to specify a dynamic format string. In the Measure Tools ribbon, we set the Format List box to Dynamic. A new list box with format appears to the left of the DAX formula bar, which contains a default static format. Now we will change the DAX formula. In our model, we have a currency table which contains a currency and its corresponding format. So we will use this format column in the formula. Let's select the measure and use the drop down to switch between the static measure DAX expression and the dynamic format string DAX expression. We will type selected value, the format column, otherwise the default format. As you can see, our dynamic format string works and the format changes depending on the selection. To delete the dynamic format string and return to using a static format string, we select a different format option in the format list box. Because there is no undo in this action, a dialog appears asking if you want to proceed. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. See you in the next video.